This one, flammable. Definitely a gas station. Can I see the booklet? Ayan. Kalat naman. Okay, let's see. Wait ha. What's your question? 10, 12? No, what's your question? Santo. Wait ha. So, based on this photo, December 10, okay, December 10, starting address QC, destination Baler, Aurora. So this is when we left. Kakaalis lang natin. Yeah, malamang this is from QC to Baler. Ayan.
Patingin ulit.
Tama ba? Tama, this is the start of the Luzon Loop. The very first day na nag-Luzon Loop tayo was December 10. Kasi before that, we arrived Mindoro October 25. Tapos December 10 yung next alis natin. There. Okay. Grabe. Bagsak na bagsak ako niyan. So, milk tea. Saan yan? Hanapin natin. Yan, found it. December 11. Ayan. December 11. Baler, Aurora. Destination Tuguegarao. So, it's somewhere between Baler and Tuguegarao. Gabi na to, meaning halos nasa Tuguegarao na tayo. Siguro nag-gas stop over lang. Two pictures. This is Ilocos, diba? Ilocos Sur. Itong bar na to. Restaurant ito, hotel. After my crush. That's after my crush.